Hello, hello. I have a thing for you here. This is cat remote over IPF, well, libp2p really. Here it is. I've got a server and a client, so I can start up my server here, and that will start up an IPFS node listening on this address. And if I copy that for now, what happens is IPFS gets ready, and then it sets up a handler for the cat remote protocol, P2P cat remote 1.0, and we wait for some connections. Over here with my client, I can start it up. Client starts up an IPFS node, listening there, but we don't need that. But it asks me now to connect to this cat remote. And because I copied the address earlier, I will just paste it in here. And this is the address of this node, the server node over here. So I will hit enter, and it successfully dialed that node. And now use arrow keys to control the laser, hit Q to quit. So, and then I've got a message from the server, cat remote ready. Sweet. And on the server side, we've seen that we've got a new handler has arrived. Only one, the server will only allow one remote peer to control it at a time. So if another peer tries to connect and control it, then it will just close that connection and ignore it. So that's fine. So anyway, client, we've connected to our server, and now we've got a message from server saying it's ready, and apparently I can use the arrow keys to control the laser. So if I hit, the laser is basically two servos, and one of them is the x-axis and one of them is the y-axis. So if I hit up, this should move the laser up, essentially, and you can see when I hit up on my keyboard on the server side, the y coordinate of the servo has changed. It's increased to 10, and I can go down again, all the way down to 0. It doesn't go further than 0. It doesn't go more than 180, and then I can press right and left and change the x-axis of the servo. Woohoo! Woo! So what this does is the client is actually just sending the key presses to the server, and then the server is mapping those key presses to the current coordinates of the servos, which makes sense. Anyway, so then I can press Q to finish, and then that's fine. The server just got that quick command, closes the connection, and it waits for another connection, and I can. Once I've done that, so I can connect back to this one again if I get the address of it. There we go. Control C, connect to it again, and then we're back in again, and you can see that it will I'll start back off where I left off, and that's all I have to say. I was just excited about this, so I thought I'd show you it. There's a GitHub repo. I will put it in the notes. Okay, bye.